You are going to love the 2026 Ford Maverick. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. The Ford Maverick is a compact pickup that blends versatility and efficiency. Inside, it packs modern comfort and connectivity that makes the truck useful for everything from errands to weekend projects. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.